In today's video, I'm going to show you how to dictate with voice in OneNote, so you can type faster, capture ideas hands-free, and turn spoken thoughts into clean notes in just a few minutes. This is a super useful feature if you're taking meeting notes, drafting content, brainstorming, or just want to save time by speaking instead of typing. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tips and step-by-step guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want your text to appear. This part is important because OneNote will place your dictated text exactly where your cursor is, so click the exact spot on the page before you begin. Once your cursor is in the right place, look at the top menu bar and click the Home tab. Inside the Home tab, you'll see the Dictate button, which is the microphone icon. Go ahead and click that button to start voice dictation. As soon as you do, OneNote will bring up a floating dictation toolbar, and you should also hear a small chime or see a recording light, which tells you that OneNote is actively listening for your voice. Now you can start speaking clearly into your computer's microphone. Try to speak at a natural pace, and make sure you're in a quiet environment if possible, so OneNote can pick up your words more accurately. As you dictate, OneNote will automatically convert your speech into text right on the page. If you want to add punctuation, you need to say the punctuation out loud. For example, say period when you want a full stop, and say comma when you want a comma. This is really helpful for making your notes easier to read and more polished without having to go back and type everything manually. If you want to move to a new line, simply say new line. That command tells OneNote to drop the cursor down one line, so you can continue dictating in a cleaner format. This works great if you're creating bullet-style notes, separate thoughts, or organized sections while you speak. Once you finish speaking, you'll need to stop the dictation properly. To do that, click the microphone icon on the floating toolbar. Then, if needed, click the main Dictate button on the Home tab ribbon again to fully turn off dictation. That way, OneNote stops listening and you can review everything that was captured. At this point, it's a good idea to read through your dictated text and make any quick edits. Sometimes a word may need correcting, or you may want to add a bit more formatting, but overall, this feature can save you a huge amount of time compared to typing everything manually. And that's it! You now know how to dictate with voice in OneNote. It's fast, simple, and incredibly useful once you get used to the punctuation and formatting commands. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.